Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be installing the Agency Power Intercooler as well as the Element6 carbon fibre seats. As always, I've got my mate Grant here to give me a hand, so let's crack into it. I thought it was going to be an easy little unclip and good to go.
It's supposed to be coming off, but I'm just wondering if I've got to push it down or something.
Yeah, there'll probably be something like that, but how the hell are you going to do it? Wait, excuse me. No, thank you. I'm not going for a drive yet. I love it how I said to Grant, like, let's just do the easy job first, and it's turning out to not be pretty easy.
Alright, you know what? Let's resort to Google again.
Yeah.
There you are.
YouTube famous, mate. YouTube famous.
Yeah. You always get me to do the weirdest jobs for you.
I thought this was an easy job, man.
Well, apparently not.
Here you go. Ooh. Magical bend touch.
Boy!
What happened to you?
Oh. Okay, so this is a lot more difficult than I expected for these clips, because all we did was take these out of the clip, not the clip itself.
Easy problem, easy install, I swear. Hey Grant, he's never gonna come back now, eh?
No. Ah, there we go.
So much easier.
Yeah, now. See, it's always easier the second time around.
So for those who are going to be doing this shortly, what do you have to do? Give them a little instruction video here.
Get a f***ing angle grinder out.
Seats are done. Seats are done. Easy job of the night done. Well, apparently easy job of the night. Explain to the viewers what we're going to be doing now. What is the process to get the intercooler in?
Rip your front bumper off. Take the old one off.
Yep.
Put this one back in.
Yep.
Front bumper back on.
It's breaking my car. Oh my god! This is like real painful to watch. Oh my god. That was one of the scariest moments of my life, taking the full front bumper off a $60,000 car. There's the old intercooler there. It's super small.
All your bugs.
Here we have Grant in his natural habitat.
Animal Planet.
Welcome to Kia Planet. Look at that size difference there. All right. I totally look like I know what I'm doing, but really, I have no idea. I'm just learning as I go from the master. So that's it, all done. I'm super stoked with the Element6 carbon fibre seats. Make sure you go and visit their Instagram page, have a scroll down, they've got heaps of Singer products. And I'm pretty stoked with how the Agency Power intercooler looks. It's black, so that stealth look really makes that front end of the Singer pop now. It just blends in really nicely behind the grille. The install was pretty easy as well, so It's could be technically a one-man job if you know what you're doing. I have no idea, so hence why I always get Grant. As always, guys, remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.